1700 or 1670. Okay, that's let me check how many pips here. Okay, let's say from current market price there will be around near to 600 pips. All right, 600 pips. So depends on how you set up your sell. Okay, my overall outlook is still downside as long as price doesn't break above. Okay, doesn't break above, so I will be keep on selling all the way down. Okay, so of course the profit levels you guys can look at is 1718. See, around my EMA 100, and then next will be 1697. Right, actually it's anything below 1700 because 1700 is a psychology support. Okay, so gold simple still downside. Last week I actually sell around 1715, and actually we got stop out around here. So actually I will look for another sell if price action allows. Okay, so that's all for gold, simple and clear cut. And next will be Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD actually play out exactly what I analyzed last week. Okay, let me delete this all these drawings. Okay, you see actually the first wave 1 2, the Elliott wave 1 2 3. Okay, and then fourth the price actually retraced to my weekly support around 1.1261, and then price make the last move to the upside. You see, we actually create a new high over here. Okay, where is the, let me check. Yeah, here, boom. So you see price actually hit 1.142 1.1420. Okay, that's the new high, and then price came back down. So actually my outlook on this is price need to retrace. Okay, for sure we need to come back down, and then we're gonna consolidate for a while. Okay, for those who are looking for a buy, I think that we can buy around the EMA 100. Okay, see actually the price, if you use your imagination, okay, we can actually form some price action that looks like this, okay, as long as this zone holds, we can continue further upside. But of course I'm expecting some sideways first before continuation. Okay, so this one we are talking about 4 hours. So if we go into daily, actually we should come up from weekly and then daily, but never mind. Okay, we from smaller time frame we're going to a bigger time frame. So you see why actually last week I'm so confident that the price can retrace, because we are actually far away from MA10. You see, my MA10 that time was actually around 1.1235. So the quick reaction will be the price for sure will retouch the MA10. See, so right now price actually having some reaction here. So very simple, if the price doesn't hold at MA10, we are going down back to EMA 21. This one is my EMA 21. Some trader they will set up with EMA 20. So depends on your setup. So you see euro broken resistance. Okay, and then price went up, retest. So expect some consolidation and then further upside. Then last pick we can have a look on weekly chart. Okay, you see actually weekly chart is trying hard to break this 1.138 area. Okay, so overall is downtrend, but from here we actually bottom up. See, so I'm expecting further. So let's go back to 4 hour last recap. Okay, sideways, further upside. So for those who are looking for a trade in Euro USD, do expect some sideways. You guys maybe can then trade the ping pong movement. You see, up and down, up and down. So within this zone, let me highlight to you this zone. Yes, here, yeah. Oops, I think this one, yeah, red box. Okay, so Euro USD sideways. And then last one will be the S&P 500. Oh, this was the best trade I ever get. You see, last week I told you guys to sell, okay, at current market price, or maybe wait for a further upside, and the trade play out exactly. You see, okay, same. We are looking at H4 4-hour chart. You see, enter, and then we have some minor negative floating, and then boom, all the way down. You see, from 300 we have holding a current around 300 pips. See, 300 points they call it. Okay, so for this trade I will continue to hold, okay, because this one is a very high potential setup. And for those who miss the sell opportunity, actually you guys can actually look for another sell around this 3-1 area, or maybe 3-100. Yeah, 3-100 will be the best zone, because let me show you. See, the short-term moving average actually cross the long-term EMA. Okay, so actually you see price went down, retest, and then perhaps next week we are going for another continuation to the downside. Okay, so for those who are looking for a sell, maybe you guys can set a sell order around here, or maybe around here. You see, let me highlight to you. Where is it? Yeah, here. See, resistance, okay, resistance, support. So we need to study the price action. Okay, so it will be better that we continue going downside. Okay, because my first target is actually around 2700. Okay, actually I still have my trades holding here. See, sell, and then SL move to break even, lock a profit. So you see, there's a TP right here, and then there will be a further down here, 27. See, live trade still holding, weekend trade. So S&P 500 further downside. For those who haven't sell, look for another pullback. Okay, hopefully there's a pullback so I can add more trades for myself too. And also let's go into daily chart. Okay, just a quick one. See, bearish price action. See, one candle, we engulf all these small candles, so or not. 11th of June, one thick body candle, and then we are back down to May, 27th of May. Okay, so of course you see 2950 will be the next support zone on the long-term EMA. So if we break this, we're gonna go lower. See, 28, and then perhaps 27, so or not. What we usually do is just we read the price action, the candlestick. Okay, so S&P 500 downside. And then I still remember last week there's someone asking me about KLCI. So let's have a look on KLCI, because it's actually interrelated, is it? But not that bad, you see. Actually, Malaysia stock market still can perform. We actually came back up a bit. So that's all for S&P 500 further downside. Look for another sell. And right now we are having a Q&A session. So any question from you guys? Any question? Let me check my Zoom first. Where's my Zoom? Return to meeting chat box. Okay, so you guys have any question?